Here's my 6x9 paper, and then I've got my handout, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a graphite transfer. So I'm going to take the reference image, I'm going to flip it upside down, and you can see it's this area here, and I'm going to coat this with graphite pencil. I'll smooth it out with a piece of paper towel to make sure everything is covered. Now I'm going to take my 6x9 inch piece of paper. Notice that it's the same size as my image. All right, I'm going to tape this down so that when I transfer it, it doesn't move around. Let's put a little bit here. Okay, then I'm going to carefully lay this over the top. Much better. Okay, now it's all lined up. Take two pieces of tape, put them on the top, put a third one just to make sure it's not going to pull up. Anyway, lift it up. I can check my progress as I go. Use a red or blue pen so you can see your progress as you draw. Take your time and trace all of the contours in the photo. Trace objects, shadows, cast shadows, and highlight areas. Try not to press down too hard. Check it out. Looks very good. There are a few details missing. I'll draw them later.